Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to calculate the length of the objects and generate a multi-text object located at the midpoint of each object in AutoCAD using an AutoCAD Lisp. This Lisp prompts the user for a selection of objects to be labeled and proceeds to generate a multi-text object located at the midpoint of each object, displaying a field expression referencing the length of the object. The Lisp is compatible for use with arcs, circles, lines, polylines, 2D and 3D polylines, and under all UCS and view settings. The Lisp will generate multi-text objects positioned directly over the midpoint of each object, and aligned with the object whilst preserving text readability. The multi-text will have a background mask enabled and will use the active text style and text height settings at the time of running the program. First, load the AutoCAD Lisp. Enter Upload, then choose your Lisp and load it. Draw some objects. Type M, I, D, L, E, and N to activate the Lisp.